been so long, 1,000 times.
How?
Ito mga Lodi, panoorin natin si Kuya na grabe, ang ganda ng boses, parang air supply. No, bigla ang pinakanta siya dito sa isang, I think, program ata to. May mga miss-miss eh. So let's go, panoorin natin mga boss. Sabi kasi nila ay lip-sync daw. Oh shit! I think hindi naman siguro. Let's go, panoorin natin.
Video ko yan!
Ano? Mukhang ano lang ah. Kagagaling lang nagbiyahe si Kuya. Ayan o. Ayan o, sa nag-ano to.
I've been so long, 1,000 times.
Oh shit! Wow!
The sounds that no one else could even hear.
Oh my God!
Reach into the flame of love.
Wow! Ang ganda ng boses.
I could hold it up if this beat. I need to learn to be the
Wala air supply nga.
I live with everything but you. I can't believe my eyes. I see you here. Just the way you should. Oh, so good, still good to thrill. I live my life to be lying here with you. I can't believe
Kinilig oh.
I feel the empty hands of time as they
Hulog ka dyan natin, ha?
steal all my life away. I heard the silence
Wala,
deep
kinilig,
inside, beating for words that lovers could not say. You turn a little into stone
Ang ganda ng boses.
with every day you spend alone. Can't believe my eyes, I see you here.
Wala, may
Just
sumayaw.
the way you should. Oh, oh, so good, it's still good to the thrill. I live my life to be lying here with you. Oh, oh, still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes.
Wala laki naman yan ate. Pag sure eh. Mukhang may pageant ata.
I see you here, looking just the way you should. Oh, oh, so good, it's too good to be thrill. I live my life to be lying here with you. Oh, oh, still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes. I see you here, looking just the way you should. Oh, oh, so good, it's still good to be thrilled. I live my life to be lying here with you.
Ang ganda ng boses.
Oh, still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes.
Grabe. So, yun po mga idol, grabe. I can't believe my eyes by Air Supply. Mukhang nautusan lang ata si kuya. Grabe. Basta may mga pistahan ganyan mga idol, no? Talagang ibang klase si kuya. Taga Zamboanga, Sibugay siya mga idol, no? Sa Santa Rosario. At grabe, di ko kilala to si kuya mga idol, pero grabe ang ganda ng boses. Kaya pala marami nagsabi na parang lip sync lang daw. Pero para sa akin mga idol, hindi yun lip sync mga idol. Boses niya talaga yan. Ang ganda talaga ng boses niya, parang air supply talaga. So, wala akong masabi kundi kay kuya, ang ganda ng boses niya. Sana sasali ito sa mga Got Talent mga idol, Tawag ng Tanghalan, Pilipinas Got Talent. Got Talent mga idol, para ma-discover si kuya. Grabe, ang ganda ng boses niya. Kayo mga idol, nagandahan nyo ba? Nagandahan ba kayo sa boses ni kuya? Please comment down below mga idol. Sana supportahan po natin si kuya mga idol. Ilagay ko na lang po sa description ng kanyang link mga idol, ha? Grabe, inalabutan ako. Okay, hanggang dito mga idol. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo lagi.